All right, guys. Today let's do a quick technical analysis for the currency pair ahead of the week. This is week 45. As we all know, we start with you know getting acquainted with the news ahead by opening your forest factory. By opening your forest factory. All right. When you open your forest factory, you will see the news that are ahead, the news for the week. So you have to check and make sure you know what is ahead or what we are expecting each day. All right, as we all know, the US election is around the corner, so let's take note of that. Apart from that, there is my website that Against FX Academy is officially launched. So to if you need us to train you, all right, uh, we have put all the resources together to be able to do that now. All you need to do is just go to www.againstfx.com. That is our official website, and choose either of these packages. We have the monthly mentorship package, we have the yearly mentorship package, we have the lifetime mentorship package. So now the monthly is just a monthly subscription. At the end of the month, you renew your subscription. All right. Yearly, at the end of the year, you renew your subscription. The lifetime, you just pay this, then we are going to be trading together. After the training, we are going to be trading together, and you have access to all these things. So do well to reach out to us. You can go to uh, you can go to the homepage. Then you see where you just fill in your name, your last name, email address. Then you send us a message informing us that you want us to train you. You just click send. It's as simple. There's nothing complicated about it. So that being said, let's quickly do analysis on GU. When I say GU, that is the GBP USD, Great British Pound, and United States dollar. All right. From the monthly point of view, we can see that is the trend is bearish. All right. All right. How do we know that it's bearish? Because it's been making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower highs. So we say it is bearish. So at this point, is there anything we can pick out from this monthly time frame? No. The only thing is that it's bearish. We can see the direction of the trend. That means now we'll go move straight without wasting time. We'll move straight to the weekly time frame. Then the weekly time frame, you can now see that the weekly has now started a pullback. All right, there is a monthly push to the downside. Now the weekly has started pushing back. So is there any opportunity here? Let us analyze. Now from the weekly perspective, you see that the internal structure here, you see the push to the upside, a retracement, push to the upside, a retracement, push to the upside, a little retracement, push to the upside, then there's a retracement. Now, if you want to really show it, this is a break of structure to the upside. All right, this is another break of structure to the upside. No matter how little it is, you have to take cognizant of every little details in forex trading. All right, here, what caused the break of structure to the upside? This is the guy that caused the break of structure to the upside. Has market tapped into this other block? Yes, the price action has already tapped into it, and we are beginning to see a reaction. All right. Has it started bullish trend right now? That we'll find out. So we'll just mark this a POI that is sitting under this imbalance here. All right. What is an imbalance? Imbalance happens in a situation where there's a push to the upside that creates a gap. All right. If there's any push to the upside or a push to the downside that creates a gap, all right, in future, price action will come back and fill the gap in future. So this is imbalance. All right. So imbalance is here. This is the other block that caused the push to the upside. Now price is coming back to interact with the POI here. So that is being said, we'll scale down to that one is noted. We'll scale down to the daily time frame. All right. If you want to swing trade, all you need to do is bring your buy tool here. All right. Your buy tool, open or play the middle. All right. Play the middle a little below this level. Then you target the high. All right. This is a reversal level at the point of reversal. So to further buttress our analysis, all we need to do is that now here there is what we call uh, liquidity sitting here, all right, because we have so many people that have placed their order here thinking that price will continue to go up. But when price started to roll down, he has collected all this liquidity here. The analysis, was it wrong? No, it was not wrong. So, but that is how it is. Now, this is the other POI, and below that liquidity, we have this uh, imbalance sitting here. All right. So, meaning that our strategy, all the checklists are met. So we can comfortably take a position here, set a buy limit order, wait for price to react to this point, tap us in, then we follow the price action as it continues to as it resumes the underlying trend. Remember, we are bullish from here. We are bullish. Why? Because price action has started creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, just like this for you to see it. Price action has started creating higher high, then higher low. A push to the upside, a retracement. Push to the upside, a retracement, push to the upside. Now, this retracement is coming down here to interact with this POI here. Once it taps in, then it can resume the underlying trend. So that is how. All this is our strategy again. Our strategy is SMC strategy, smart money concept strategy. Now, this is how it is. Price is going up. There's a retracement up, a retracement up to upside. The price will come, create a kind of a liquidity here. All right. Once it creates a liquidity here, then you now come tap to the origin here. Then once it taps this origin, the next thing is for the price to go up and break this structure up. All right. So that is it. What do we need to do? What we just need to do is for us to is for us to uh, refine this level by refining the other block. That is a last bearish candle that caused the break of structure to the upside. All right. This is a break of structure to the upside. Then we have to refine the other block that caused the break of structure to the upside. Then what we need to do is to check whether there is an imbalance that is sitting here. All right. If there is an imbalance, okay, our checklist is that is part of our checklist. All right. Is there any liquidity sitting above the imbalance that price will sweep before it tap into our before it taps into our level? Yes, this is a liquidity. It's a liquidity because price created a level for traders to it created a level that serves as an opportunity for traders to get involved in the market. But in the long run, price go did not push above this high. Rather, it stopped shy here. It came down again. It created another opportunity for traders to get involved. What happened? Those people that got involved from here, they followed the price action up to this point. Then price action stopped shy here, came down. It did not take them out. It created another opportunity for other people, other traders to join. Then price pushed to the upside. Those who entered from here, price took liquidity, pushed these people out. As it's coming down, sweep these other people out. As it's coming down here, it will not feel the imbalance, then tap us in. All right, have a communication with this other block, then price will now start going up. All right. So all we need to do once all these criteria are met, all we need to do is bring out our buy to here, then target the high. So a little below this point is our SL. So this is just our strategy. Once you place a sell limit order, a buy limit order, you just allow price action to come and do its job. So at this point, the imbalance here we have liquidity sitting here, then price action is coming here. We'll just place the open. All right. This is more like a swing trade. All right. We'll just play the open, then allow price action to really tap into this level, then before we push to the upside. Now, if you really want to add some confluences, all we need to do is we at this point, at this point, put your um, Fibonacci retracement tool and mark this point. You see? Now, anything below 50% is a discount level. Anything above is a premium level. Now, you can see the 79% is sitting really at this level. So that is another confluences to show that we are doing the right thing. So we are now waiting patiently for price to really tap into this place because it has to cover these gaps, all these gaps. Then have a communication with this other block before it will resume the underlying trend. So all we need to do is just open, like as we have just done, place our buy to our stop loss below, then we target the high, all right, at the point of reversal. So it's like that. At this point here, if you are a swing trader, you enter like this. But if you are not a swing trader, you scale down. You scale down maybe to 4 hours, or refine the the level, when you refine the level, then place your entry. All right. You see, what you need to do is for you to refine the level. You refine the level. All right. You enter from here. From this place, you take your position. All right. Take your position like this. All right. Allow price action to come down, tap you in, then target the high, the point of reversal. Target the point of reversal. So it's very, very important. Sorry, guys, I'm not feeling fine. The code has started, right? So it is what it is. All right, so it's like that. If you are not too comfortable with trading on higher time frame, you can scale down to your time frame of your choice. Then you take position. All you need to do is to refine this level. You scale down, refine this level. All right, that POI that caused the break of structure to the upside, refine the level, and you place your entry. So, guys, that is it on GU, guys. So the overall idea is buy. All right. So all we need to do right now is to place a buy limit order. All right, waiting patiently for price action to come and tap us in, and then resume the underlying bullish trend. All right. So one thing we should understand is that we don't control the market. If the market uh, movers and shakers, if they decide to push below this place, all right, because they control the market, the banks, the financial body. If they decided that they are going to push the price down again, that means this POI will be violated. And once this POI is violated, all you need to do is for you to watch out for the next POI. And how do you refine a POI? Don't worry, I will make a video on that. You refine a POI from all those that point of break of structure. All right, we have a push to the upside, then a retracement. Where the retracement stops, all right, you just look and refine a POI from there. That's point of interest. So it's very, very important that we know all these things so that when we are trading, we will not be trading blindly. All right, we will not be trading blindly. So if price action decided to violate this place, then it will just take us out. All right, once it hit our SL, it takes us out. So does that mean that our strategy is not working? No. It means that at that point in time, it did not work. Why? Because the the market movers, those who controls the market, who decide the direction of trend, whether it should go up or whether it should go down, they decided that they want the price, rather the sellers want the price to go further down. All right? They want the price to go further down. And now, if look at this whole trend here, if you bring out your two Fibonacci tool, measure it, you discover that this point, this point is a point where this trade should tap us in and reverse. You see, from this down to this to the up, you see, this is where the 79% is sitting, guys. So we are very, very right. So try this strategy out. I wish you a blissful week and God bless you all.